Next, we will explain to you in detail how to delete the above file types from iPhone or iPad. Part 1. How to delete files on iPhone or iPad in the Files app. To delete files from your iPhone or iPad's internal storage, open your iOS device and click My iPhone or iPad in the Files app. Browse and find the file or folder you need to delete. Press and hold the item and click Delete. To delete files from iCloud Drive, open your iOS device. Click on the Files app and select iCloud Drive. Browse and find the file or folder you need to delete. Press and hold the item and click Delete in the options that pop up. Part 2. How to delete files from iPhone or iPad with Assistant for iOS. If you want a more practical way to manage your iDevice content, you will also need a powerful iOS content manager and transfer program, such as Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Download and install Assistant for iOS. Connect your iPhone to the computer and launch the software. Follow on-screen instructions to identify your device. Once recognized, select Photos to view them. Tick off the photos to remove, then choose Delete from the menu. Part 3. How to remove files from iPhone or iPad via Settings. Open Settings, General, Phone Storage. Tap on the app you want to remove. Choose Uninstall app to remove the app while keeping its data, or Delete app to remove the app and its data.